Let's get the day started. Woo! My cousins have called me and they have told me to let's go. They said let's go. So I'm gonna leave my mom.
Bye.
She's making this sweet potato. But I'll be getting dressed later. Let's go see the family.
Here it is. You don't got no something to chase it with.
I'll fight for my life. Don't worry.
Y'all gotta get to work. Y'all can be.
I'm ready.
Talking about, let's say, for example, the 60% of this. Wait a
I see
minute.
what you're saying.
60. Okay, so this is 100%. 60% of that is, 40% of that is gonna be like that much.
Right.
So
We'll probably need a
probably
little
like
bit
that
more.
much.
Of what?
Tito.
Tell them your favorite character.
My character is Batman.
Batman?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because he fly up the sky.
That's a good reason.
Hey, Sam. Favorite character? What's your favorite?
Man, they got the party bus on deck. That's crazy.
One day, pay for the words I say. No, it sounds strange. I make things all every day. Hope you got something else to say, cause it ain't safe. Yeah.
So, we're gonna see how long my hair lasts. It's so hot, like I'm already sweating. But we pulling up. Had to park way out of town. We
I don't know. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Come on, Cam. I know you know what this is. All right. This is my niece, cousin niece. I love her to death. She's family. I love her. My homeboy Cash on the ones and twos.
No,
We
I play
connected.
go crazy every time.
We've been talking.
What's he got? What are you doing, Bookie? Y'all, my hair is not going to last. It done turned green. Hold on.
We know we got a few more hours around.
What you gonna say?
Yo!
Never just good, never smell right. Them green pills never get right. And a whole lot tail of forest. And a face when mash up your forest. Every man don't treat them heartless. You're restless. Never just good, never smell right. Them green pills never get right.
No, it's rolling. It's rolling. It's rolling. Look.
Shout out to that, you know what I'm saying? Shout out
We
to
coming,
that.
we coming.
Hey, follow me at TRico.29. Yeah, Derek
I gotta get her.
It's year 2,
Year
2023, partying with
Period.
the stoves, you know. Gotta rep the last name. We out here doing it big.
Yeah.
Enjoying the time. Have your fun.
It's the next day. We're hopping the gate, babe.
Come on, Tora.
I got the door, Tor.
Hi. I don't know how to jump, like hop up.
Rayla,
so.
get over the gate.
Come on, I need you to go first. So record.
I'll go first. Then. I know what I'm doing. Yo. Oh, look at this shot glass. Ouch. This ain't well. I'm scared. Hold on. That's from a night we had shots out here. All right.
I decided I'm forever riding, I'm forever guided. Pull up on the up, hit his club up, sliding.
Notice when you mad and the words just silent.
You my favorite color,
Now you seeing every shit in me.
you say that I'm tripping.
Now where's that 20-year-old?
I like watermelon.
I don't know if we're supposed to be in here. Oh, maybe we are. You see, now we was gonna just be walking around. Oh, I hear music now. I I'll be right back. I gotta focus.
I think good ones are worse. Let me get one more. I gotta go.
Right, you ain't going nowhere, Ruben.
I'll take one. How
He just said we 15 and 16.
Oh,
Man, listen to the song too.
I'm listening.
You're here.
Oh, bro.
Trying to play Fantasia, get your ass in the car.
You uncultured ass Jennifer Hudson.
Bitch, you sound like Fantasia.
Third party. I don't want none of you bitches.
Hey, bet I punish you bitches.
The baddest. Right. Gang, gang.
What's your No, hell no. I trained out in Dice.
In here?
Well, between Dice and Sunnyside Road. I live. What a view.
Damn. Oh. He said change the shape of the key.
I'm shopping mine.
This is an update. We left Nevermore with all our friends.
Yeah, where am I meter?
What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Show me what's up. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get right. We can't just be talking about it. I want you stand beside it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's up. Know it's been a